All right, let's talk about one of the toughest jobs out there for any leader right now, navigating all this uncertainty. I mean, it's wild out there. But what if you could give your team something that flips that uncertainty on its head, turns it into pure confidence? Well, that's exactly what we're going to dig into. How data, specifically from a program like the one from the Metal Treating Institute, can make that happen.
So, this is the big question, right? You've got to ask yourself, are my teams running on fear or are they running on facts? Because look, when people don't have a clear picture of where things are going, that empty space, it almost always gets filled with fear, with hesitation, and that's a killer for momentum.
It really boils down to two completely different roads you can go down. On one side, you've got uncertainty, and that just breeds fear, which leads to hesitation, and boom, you've got some very real business risk on your hands. But then there's the other path, the one where clarity, powered by solid data, turns into confidence. And when that happens, everyone gets on the same page, and you start seeing real decisive action. And this isn't some fluffy feel-good thing. It hits your bottom line, and believe me, it totally changes how your financial partners see you.
Okay, so let's first dig into the high cost of uncertainty. What's the actual price companies pay for, flying blind? Yeah, it's really a problem that hits you from two different directions. Internally, when your teams can't see what's coming, that lack of visibility just paralyzes them. They start second-guessing every move. And then externally, your lenders, your bankers, they see that same lack of clarity as a massive red flag. It makes them super reluctant to give you the capital you need to actually grow.
But here's the good news. There is a way to completely change this dynamic. So let's look at how a structured data program, something like the one from the Metal Treating Institute, helps you make that critical shift from being reactive to being truly proactive.
So how does this actually work? Well, MTI members get access to two incredibly powerful tools. First up, you've got the monthly sales trend reports. This gives you a real-time pulse on how you're doing against the rest of the industry. Then, and this is huge, you get quarterly economic forecasts. This is your crystal ball, giving you a look into the future that's backed by a staggering 94.7% accuracy rate from the experts at ITR Economics. That's just amazing.
And this is the incredible result. You literally change the entire conversation happening inside your company. Think about it. Instead of your team coming to you with these anxious, reactive questions like, what's happening? Are we going to be okay? You are the one providing proactive answers. You can say, here's what's happening, here's what's coming next, and here's our plan. It's a total game changer for how you communicate and lead.
All right, now for the fun part. Let's dive into how you can use this data to really light a fire under your internal teams and get everyone pulling in the same direction.
Okay, this right here might be one of the most powerful and honestly underused parts of the MTI reporting. We're not just talking about abstract numbers here. You can turn this data into a real-life performance scoreboard. Your team's sales ranking, their market share, it's all tracked securely and confidentially, so only you can see it. It's your secret weapon.
And just look at how real this makes it for everybody. Imagine showing your sales team this chart and saying, look team, we're currently ranked number 7. Our goal for this year? Let's break into the top 5. All of a sudden, that goal isn't just some number on a spreadsheet anymore. It's a clear, measurable, and super competitive target to chase. And why does that work so well? It comes down to a simple psychological truth. Salespeople are wired to be competitive. When you show them exactly where they stand in the rankings, man, it just lights a fire. It creates this intense focus, a real sense of urgency, and a powerful feeling of ownership over the results.
And listen, this isn't just a sales thing, not at all. You can connect what's happening on the shop floor directly to these big picture growth goals. Imagine showing your operations team how their hard work on quality and on-time delivery is the very thing that's letting you grab more market share. Suddenly, they're not just running parts anymore, they're winning the market. Everybody gets to see how their job plays a part in the win.
Okay, so we've talked about the internal team. Now let's switch gears and talk about the external side of things. Specifically, how this data helps you build a rock-solid foundation with your banking partners.
You know, when you walk into a meeting with your banker armed with this kind of industry data, it completely changes the conversation. You're not just another company asking for money. No way. You're showing them you have deep industry awareness. You're proving you're a proactive leader. This builds a ton of credibility and immediately positions you as a much lower risk, more attractive borrower in their eyes. What it all boils down to is this. You're elevating the discussion. You're no longer walking in with just an opinion or a gut feeling. Whether you're asking for a new line of credit or you're trying to fund a huge expansion, you can back up every single request with validated, third-party data. You're finally speaking their language, the language of facts and figures.
Okay, so this all sounds fantastic, right? But the big question is, how do you actually put it into practice?
Let's break down a simple, super effective action plan to make it happen. This really lays out a clear and totally manageable rhythm. Every month, you sit down with your leadership team, review the trend report, and share the key takeaways. Then, every quarter, you present that economic forecast, not just to your team, but to your banker too. And then, on an ongoing basis, you're just constantly tracking progress and reinforcing how every single person, every single team contributes to the big picture.
And this right here, this might be the most important takeaway of all. Just getting these reports in your inbox isn't enough. The real game-changing value comes from actively using them. It's about participating, about integrating this data into the DNA of your company, into every conversation.
So what does this all mean for you as a leader at the end of the day? It means you have the power to replace all that fear, all that anxiety and speculation with the undeniable power of facts, focus, and real forward momentum. The only question left is, what are you going to build with all that newfound confidence?